No needles, no recovery time, and no more belly fat.
These are the claims behind the newest weight loss procedure to hit dermatologists' offices. It's called CoolSculpting, and the FDA just okayed it. In Health Watch tonight, WCCO's Arisea Brady introduces us to the procedure and to a patient who says she lost more than 3 inches with only an hour of effort.
All right, so we'll go ahead and start the section here.
Children eating popsicles. That's how they thought of it.
They noticed after a few weeks or a few months they get a little dimple of fat that was missing in their cheeks.
Thus, the million-dollar idea. If you freeze fat, it melts away.
Almost feels like a mammogram on your stomach.
Dr. Charles Crutchfield, clinical professor and medical director at Crutchfield Dermatology, says the ideal candidate for Coolsculpting is someone who has a small area of unwanted fat.
The little areas under the tummy, under the belly button, love handles, muffin tops.
Deanna Poyer chose to target the lower abdomen.
Like that little poochy area after you have the baby.
Poyer says she took measurements every few weeks.
I did nothing. I took a nap, I laid on the bed, it was cold. At 12 weeks, it was 3.5 inches.
And Poyer says she wasn't on any particular diet or added exercise in those 12 weeks. As for the treatment,
Okay, so a little cold here.
the purpose for the extreme cold?
It causes the cells to naturally die, to actually lyse, break open and die locally.
You can think of it kind of like having a bruise. After a certain amount of time, those cells are naturally eliminated from the body. Only with the fat cells, they permanently stay away.
A treatment that Poyer tells her friends is her no longer secret magic bullet.
Had a $1,200 nap.
Yeah, you heard that right. It's not cheap. It is around $1,200 a treatment. As for the reason you can't just take an ice block to your own stomach and see the same results, well, that's because you would probably risk getting frostbite. Cool sculpting technology allows the fat underneath the skin to freeze and die.